Get your hands in here.
Squish it, guys.
Squish it.
Oh, it's making the good noise.
Your tiny little fingers.
Wait, back a little. There you go. Hey everyone, welcome to the Life. Here joining me are my friends Cha-Cha, aka Chelsea, and Kawa, Koala, aka Cara Della. Check out her YouTube channel. The link will be down below. Much better quality over here. Okay, we're first time slimers. I just want to feel hip and young again. So I want to get in with the craze, like this slime craze. We have no idea what we're doing.
Yeah, we're not trendy. We gotta be trendy.
But we need to become professionals, especially myself, because my niece is pressuring me into doing slime with her, and I have to know what I'm doing. So we're gonna do a practice run, and then I'll do the real one next time around. So let's start this. We have Elmer's Glue. We got the white and the clear, so one of us is gonna do the clear, and then the other two will do the white. And we have food coloring, sparkles. I heard baby oil is good to make it shiny. I have pump soap, and I have shaving cream to make it fluffy. So I've heard, and of course the contact solution. Get off your phone.
I'm looking up slime recipes because I'm not messing this up and embarrassing myself.
And baking powder or soda? Baking soda.
Okay. What kind are we each gonna make a different?
Let's just make our own concoction.
Okay.
I
think this is, you need more information. Like, I don't think you just pour stuff into a bowl.
No, they don't. The pros don't measure. They just like squirt.
Girl, we ain't pros. This is our first
No, listen.
We've watched 4 hours of YouTube videos on
The
slime,
contact
okay?
solution makes it less sticky.
Okay. I don't need any of you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with the clear because I want to be special.
Okay.
Okay, go with the clear.
I'll go with the Elmer's Glue because there's nothing else to pick from.
They're all Elmer's Glue, honey. Just try some. So,
Do you want to play with this box?
in we go.
And the white too.
So what's left, honey?
Yeah, Laura's taking the 2.
Apparently, people like the sound of
gonna do a
emptying glue. I don't know what it is, but
We have to use our hands?
no,
No,
there's
you got a
spoons.
spoon. You
Okay,
guys
right
hear
here.
that? She's only one.
You can read that if you want.
Oh, this one didn't
What's
have
that?
a lid.
Glitter glue.
Oh, shit. I think I might make like a Twilight Starry Night.
Oh yeah.
Did you just see that right now?
Yeah. No original content here.
I'm making classic clear.
With sparkles?
I'll think about it.
I'm gonna go sparkly.
I'm doing like
I'm
sparkly
I'm
starry
now.
now. So how do I get black?
Just a lot of blue, I think.
Right? Oh yeah, like, okay, yeah. And then a little bit of green for that purple.
I'm sorry for you intense slimers out there, and you're just cursing us because we're doing everything wrong. But you gotta learn and start somewhere.
So you just literally just do this? Like,
And then it's the contact solution that makes it like not glue anymore.
Yeah.
But makes it slime.
did you buy these bowls
Start
just for
with a
this?
little.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So I was like, I don't think there's anything coming back from this. So what's this?
How do you open
Oh,
shaving
how does it
cream?
work with this?
It's pump soap.
That makes it foamy. But I don't know when you put that in.
Me neither.
See, that's...
You know what? The fun of this video is to just see what comes out.
Did you use all your glue this time? You're only gonna get one try.
Well, you know what? I'm feeling very confident.
Well, I saved
Thanks
some in case we could share the rest.
Thanks for making me feel good about my slime.
How much do you put in?
Whatever makes you float your boat.
This just seems too
Whatever makes you float.
easy to me.
Oh, well, aren't you a professional slimer?
Oh, I didn't put food coloring in yet. Is that okay?
I like how you ask us like we know what we're doing.
Well, you said you're a professional slimers.
I said we watched the 4 hours of video.
Yeah, shit, this is slime. Baby, try the slime.
She's a fellow Canadian girl that we were watching. I forget her name, but we watched
She
like,
was really good. She had the good slimes.
Have you ever watched Karina Garcia? She put herself into a bucket of slime, her whole body,
no, I didn't see that.
sliming around.
And honestly, I think I used way too much shaving cream, but
Honestly, this looks delish.
It smells funky though.
It's because of the shaving cream.
Shaving cream and glue. Look,
very
Shaving
masculine.
We should
We
put
should
my
come
essential
up
oils.
with a cologne called
Slime?
shaving cream, like with shaving cream and glue. It would be very masculine. I don't know what we would call it. Like
Leaving cream.
maybe like stench of a man. Like,
Alright,
should
guys, I'm
I
gonna
touch
eat it.
this?
I was scared.
Mine's really like breaking apart.
Mine's like very
What should
fluff.
we try? Contact solution more? Or just
I think I mixed way too much contact solution.
So put some
try
more
more
glue
shaving
in.
cream. Or more glue
I'm
gas.
kind of.
Oh no, baking soda.
I did already.
Well, girl, you
Try more of this.
Nah, I don't know about that. I think I added too much of that.
Mine's just like glue.
Mine's like, look at.
You know what? Kara's is actually turning out the best. I'm gonna just get in there, guys.
Slime.
I'm not.
Oh, you know what? No.
I don't want to take my rings off.
This is not slime, guys.
We don't need instructions. It looks like
This is really bad.
Google, you can Google how to relieve slime.
The girl just kept
Revive.
adding solution.
Then do that.
I can't now.
Why? Ooh, that looks like cottage cheese.
cottage cheese slime. You invented something. You didn't.
Yeah. I have some glue here if you need some.
glue.
It's like half a
I
thing.
literally can't touch anything.
Oh, okay, I'll do it. Watch your child. You know. Wonderful.
Stay there, Sky.
We should try borax. That's apparently.
Everybody uses like fabric softeners.
Really?
Okay, obviously you haven't watched that many slime videos.
Oh, Jesus, it's so judgmental.
I know.
Oh, the puppy's sleeping. This is Shrek slime.
Unintentional Shrek.
I'm really disappointed, guys.
Yeah, mine's literally just not.
No, but yours-
smudging from glue. Though.
Yours kind of looks like slime too. Yours and Kara.
But it's just glue. You can't touch it.
Okay, is it like this?
Oh shit, who's got slime?
Are you kidding?
This bitch got slime.
You're swearing in front of my daughter. I really don't appreciate this.
Okay,
slang.
Sky.
That is not very it like you.
Say this bitch with me. Don't say that ever.
Okay, you know what? I think it's actually getting there. It's just I need to add more.
Oh.
Can you touch it though, or does it stick to your hand?
I'm not there
It
yet.
actually, you know, it looks like bubblegum ice cream.
So my Starry Night thing didn't work.
I think I need more contact solution.
That's what I did. I just added a shit ton of
I feel
that.
like mine's just watering it down.
Okay, I'm gonna grab it. Oh,
Is it? Oh my god, can I touch it?
it's like in your fingers
Oh
though.
yeah, it's still. I think it needs more contact solution.
Can you add some for me?
Is that for me?
No. You know what this feels like? That fart putty. Look at that slime. Do you like that?
Well, it's baby oil. I need the contact solution.
It's down here.
You want more?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Keep
stop.
going. Okay. Oh yeah, that helps a lot. Yeah, I did. I put it in my wallet. We're all married women here. Can you add some more contact solution to my thing? Oh no, you guys all you're good.
I want it greener.
Okay, thank you.
You want some? No, yours doesn't even stick into your
not. It's
hands.
actually pretty good. It's taking it off my hands. Oh my god. Slime. Sorry, can you say slime?
Ham.
Oh, don't touch it with a spoon.
Now, I think the shaving cream really made mine like chunk.
I
You
think
put
that's what
shaving cream in
saved mine.
yours.
Tons. I'm just better at this than you guys.
Maybe the
Add
baking
more?
soda chunked it.
I didn't put any baking soda.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, you guys.
Should I add more shaving
Look at my
cream?
slime.
Yeah, try it.
Look at this.
That's amazing.
The color is even really nice. I want mine more green. I gotta add more.
You can add stuff once your slime is slime, you know what I mean? You just gotta get the slime.
What if she's giving slime advice now?
She's a pro now, guys.
It's kind of chunky though. It kind of feels like...
Maybe I didn't stir mine like really good.
I like have a KitchenAid mixer over here. Look at
Your color's so nice. Looks like Play-Doh.
Right? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Skylar, you're being so good.
She's like, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, she doesn't even want to be a part of it.
She doesn't want to touch it.
Okay, so the trick is shaving cream, shaving cream, shaving cream.
Come on. We all know mine's the best, guys.
Yours looks like Mrs. Doubtfire's.
Try a new one. I see talking about glue. Try a new slime. Start over.
You know what? I'm confident that I can revive this puppy. Helpful hint, don't use the Elmer's earth-friendly school glue. I think I'm just gonna toss this one completely
Start new with
and just have a small ball or something.
Isn't that going good?
Yeah, so it was the glue, definitely, guys.
My hands are stained blue.
Like, look at this.
How you're really going for that whip.
I call that the spinskaruski. So this is the outcome of Miss Della Valle.
Della.
So hers was the first one to actually work out, and I think hers is the bomb. But actually all of ours ended up being pretty good in the end. We just had a little malfunctions, especially myself. But yeah, like I said, don't use that clear eco-friendly glue. Just get regular clear Elmer's glue. It's just not at our local Walmart, so we did not get it. Oh, look at those skills. Those are some mad skills.
I hope that you got on video when I...
Oh, the slime queen.
This one is mine. It's a little small because I just used the leftover glue, but I see the young kids doing a little bit of this. Oops. And I also see the kids doing like little turd balls.
Oh, your color was better. Mine's like a... Oh, you can see the sparkles. Oh.
Yours is really good.
It sticks to your hands though.
But I think you want it to stick a little bit
Mine-
because you can pull yours apart.
Hope you enjoyed our slime video.
Yeah.
If you haven't already, please subscribe. Cue the music.
No, no.